Hello everybody, this is Anton Hopfeld as the recap of today's Bund session here at Manapa Trading, and first I want to show you my hypers. Edited before they open around 8:45 because as you now can see or later can see, the pre-market already has some engagement and people was a little bit trendish again on the long side. So the hypos, hyper 1 was the range long level is about 21.24 from yesterday, 21.24. Hypo 2, so we will take the long there. Hypo 2, if acceptance above upper pre-market high volume edge, 176.49. Look for long with increasing buying volume. Then and holding. Target stand 61.71. If increasing buying volume also at the overnight high, go for the home run trade. So in Hypo 3, if rejection after the open around 53, 58 area, look for the short with the open rejection reverse with targets. Number 1, yesterday value area high. So what happened? We see the market opened at the level about 44 and then tested the region at the 49, stayed above and tested the benamed area of the hypo number 3, the 53 to 58 area. 53 wasn't even touched, but at least the IBA high, the initial balance range high, was extended by the tip, and then people got rejected quick, which we can see here in delta, and another quick rejection lets lower. So some little pullback here, taken out, pullback, and then increasing volume at the sell side and led to 45 area. Then we see that the selling continued then a few minutes later, and the target of our Hypo 3 was reached here at 9.11 or 9.12, depends on, I don't know how many contracts there was filled, how many contract was traded into the bid, but then at 9.12 definitely we even reached 37. So this was played out, and now we see that that we on one side either we see here the rejection, which is then the long entry from this balanced area from the pre-market, and at the moment a value after cash open, but you see that after they tested the low, we see ongoing shortish delta. Only one time when we see that they maybe close some shorts, but I say we want to see, I was telling you the name of a double rejection which did not take place. But when going lower again, we see increasing sell volume, means no range long, but initiative selling means higher probability that market now testing the yesterday POC as we now entering again this yesterday main distribution. All right? I think all right. And now looking at what happens. They testing, they fell into it. We see first they made just the edge, the 50% level at the 32. They pulled back. I said this is now the stream in the live session. This is the second opportunity which I didn't play. I was afraid to execute, to pull the trigger. I accepted this. This is an old behavioral pattern which sometimes appears. And now they're going back. Reached the 29, pulled back again, but still look at the delta. Ongoing shortish movement. Ongoing shortish. And as I said, they pulled back again. We have support that they did not take out the at the moment high around this level 40. We have the VWAP and seeing they increase selling again. You see this here in this absorption at the stick, at the candle that they try to get higher, get absorbed, and people actively selling again. And ongoing selling pressure. Till this moment, till here, till here, till here. Here was when it changed, but at this moment we reached our next target. The higher probability, the 27, was the yesterday VBOC, and then even also the 22, 21 area which one needs to see what I said. It's not only the 21, it's only the 24 to 22, because see, this higher volume edge with this pivot was taking place at the 20 to 22 area. So market reached then the 22, and then we see not change in delta, but already that the less buying that took place, a little bit buying took place, had impact on price, which means that selling did not have any impact anymore. They absorbed it, and at this moment one could see that they now get out of this lower value, pulling back, and see again increase in buying volume to play and getting back to the 2 days POC. They repaired then the volume, which was a little bit blurred. Then we got a repair action at this moment, and we see then till the end of the morning, after they trying to increase the high, they stayed within balance, and now they fight it, or are starting to fight about getting higher, using yesterday value high and using the volume edge to get higher. But as it is already almost 11:30 now, you see that the impact or the price is not delivering a large move. So this was today's session. Remember, this is how you trade it. This is how you can read it. You need your plays then to develop, to play it out. But at the end, it was the open rejection, reverse, mediocre, OTF, bring some shortish move, and then the reversal around the yesterday value area low, and going in the second phase of the market, the rangy market. So that's it. Thanks for watching this Anton Höpfel Form and Upper Trading with the recap of Bund session of Tuesday, August the 6th, 2019. Thanks for watching.